Hey guys, it's Gidget again, barefoot in the kitchen as usual. Today we are going to make something a little bit different because I was kind of craving some tater tots, but I also wanted chili cheese dogs. So we're going to make a casserole out of it, and it's going to be yummy. So I've got my oven preheating to 350. Somebody just dropped an ice cube on the floor and I stepped on it and that was cold. Anyway, squirrel. So you're gonna have a 9x13 casserole dish, and I'm just gonna spray it with some cooking spray. That way nothing sticks, hopefully. And if it does, oh well. The oven is trying to hurry me along here. But anyway, so I have 2 cans of Hormel chili, no beans, because I don't like beans in it when I'm going to do, like, you know, chili cheese fries or anything like that. It kind of, I don't know, that's just a personal preference, but you can do whatever kind you want. And then 1 package of hot dogs, whatever kinds you want. So we're going to take them, and we're just going to cut them into chunks. They ain't got to be pretty. But you're going to use the whole package. You're going to use all 8 of them. If I can get these stupid things to cut. Oh, mercy. It's been one of them days, y'all. Come on, man, hold still. I don't know if y'all can see it. My little pit bull Macy is standing off over here to the side of me because she says I'm messing with hot dogs and she wants one. But she can't have one because I need them. Anyway, back to what we was doing. But we're just going to stir that up. And I like to add, if I get it open, I like to add onion flakes that I've made myself. I dehydrated them myself. I just put, you know, just a little bit in there, probably about 2 tablespoons, I would say. That's another preference thing. But just mix that up. You don't need a lot of skill or know-how or anything like that. It's pretty much a fail-proof recipe. But, if you got my way, maybe. I need a bigger kitchen. But, we're going to put our chili dog mixture in our pan. And then we're going to spread it out like that, make it look all pretty-ish. Wipe the chili off my hands here. And I use sliced cheese for this layer, mainly because I usually forget to get enough shredded cheese. Oops. Back to the whole squirrel thing. So you just put your layer of cheese on here. then we are going to put a layer of our tater tots on here. Hopefully I got a big enough bag this time. Sometimes I mess up on that. This is going to take me a second to get all these daggone tater tots on here, so I'm going to pause y'all so you ain't got to watch me just putting rows of tots. And I will be back here in just a second. Okay guys, now that I've got all the tater tots on their layer here, I'm going to put them in the oven that I had preset for 350. We're going to cook them for 30 minutes. And then we will come back here in just a little bit and take it from there. See you guys in just a little bit. Okay guys, now that it has been 30 minutes in the oven, I took it out and we're going to top it with shredded cheese and then put it back in the oven on 350 for another 10 to 15 minutes until the shredded cheese melts. And then it'll be done. So I will be back here in just a little bit after I get all the shredded cheese on there. Okay, and I forgot to tell you guys, I do use the smaller package of the shredded cheese. It's the 8-ounce package, and I use the entire package just for the top layer. But you can use more or less, whichever you prefer. And pretty much whatever kind of cheese you prefer to, as long as it's one that'll melt good. But let's put it in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Be back in a few. Alright guys, our timer has went off. Let's take it out of the oven and see what we got. Hot. That's what we got. We got hot. There you go, guys. Chili cheese tater tot casserole with hot dogs. Yum. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoy. I will talk to y'all later.